I spent $22 at Walmart and turned it into 5 Big Mac double burgers. At McDonald's, 5 Big Mac burgers will cost me over $30. Stop overpaying for this. That $22 breaks down to just $2.81 per burger. Let me show you how to beat the drive-thru. Here's the roster: beef, pickles, lettuce, onions. I even forgot to add a mayo and the cheese to the shot, but everything is accounted for. Pro tip: skip the fancy buns. Grab a cheap extra pack, trim the bottoms, and boom, instant middle bun. Use the leftovers for sloppy joes or toast later. Nothing goes to waste. Half the onion goes back in the fridge for omelets. Half the lettuce for a budget Caesar salad. We are stretching every dollar. Now, the secret sauce: mayo, sugar, garlic, mustard, paprika, onions, relish, and a little vinegar. If you want to save even more money, consider using the juice from the pickles instead of the white vinegar. You probably have half of this in your pantry already, so be sure to check before you go shopping. The entire bowl cost me 37 cents to make. That breaks down to 7 cents of sauce per burger. Big Mac patties are thin. Press them flat. Don't be shy. Get that crust. Let's get stacking. Yup, now this is what I call a Big Mac. Okay, here we go. Let's dig in. I can't wait. All right, look at that. This is phenomenal. So, is a drive-thru actually faster? Maybe. But is it smarter? No way. For the price of one soggy fast food Big Mac at $5.66, you can make 5 of these fresh giants at home for $2.81 a piece. That is nearly $3 saved every time you skip the drive-thru. Think about it. Flavor is bigger, the meat is real, and your wallet stays full. If you want to know exactly how much money we can save on Taco Bell or Chipotle next, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments which drive-thru we should expose next. I'm Christopher. This is Taste Bud Odyssey, and it's been a pleasure serving the taste buds today. Peace!